You know, I've had many students come to my workshops with a sense of anxiety, not really knowing if they'll be able to do the projects, not being able to feel a sense of belief or confidence in their ability to understand what seems very daunting. And the joy is that in these workshops, folks are able to see a very simplified system, a method of comprehending the basic instructions to achieve the realistic face. So the goal in this workshop is to impart to you the 17 years of experience that I've kind of condensed down into a 3-day workshop. The first day, Friday, is about refining, creating your design, applying that to the wood. Saturday is a full day. It's about roughing in, refining those shapes, and getting into the kind of nitty-gritty of carving, right? It's the most productive part of the workshop. And that goes from 9 a.m. until around 6 p.m., around dinner time. And then the final day, Sunday, is a half day. We go from 9 to about lunchtime, giving you time to travel out. And that day is really about refining, honing in, tightening up, sanding, and finishing your carvings. So bringing it home and creating a piece that you can absolutely be proud of. I've had hundreds and hundreds of students take my classes over the past 13 years of teaching. I'm excited to offer this now in my space. You know, the goal was to create an environment of community, to be able to enjoy other people, like-minded folks. And I'm excited to be able to offer this now. Those of you who join this workshop will get a free year's access to my online woodcarving school as well. The way that I learned to carve growing up was through watching other people online. It's all I could afford and it's all I had access to. So in addition to the workshop, you get access to a $300 gift certificate to my online school, which has like 80 plus work projects on there to check out, 80 plus videos. So, all right, if you'd like to sign up, tickets are gonna go quickly since there are a limited number of them, and you can sign up by going to the website posted here, or click the description link below. I have that linked for you as well. See you there.